Back to the review and moving on to sugar 43 report extreme. So that's why I always say open the charts themselves because they do tell a bit more. So I would consider this to be a relative bearish COT extreme. So nothing, all time or close to all time. But it is an extreme I'd be, excited about if I were to be, swing trading sugar. We see that sugar has risen a lot, and this extreme, this relative extreme developed after a couple weeks. So the report is telling that we may see a top here. That's something, of course, we can identify if it happens in a couple weeks' time. Because, of course, if we talk about COT extreme analysis, all-time COT extremes are always, those are the most unique ones. Because, for instance, here from 2016, this is an extreme that we have never saw in the past. This is an entire history of COT data